Okay, welcome back. This is your boy surBlas. So like I said in my previous video that I'll be doing another video to import Assetchain to OKX. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is my OKX. So I'll just go to my OKX. So I'll be using a very simple method. Alright. So let's say I'm in my OKX. So when you open your wallet, so this is how your wallet will look like. Let's go back. Let's go back to the home page. So when you open your wallet, this is where you look. This is where you see. So you simply click on discover at the downside here. When you click on discover, then you can input this link on this your browser, chainlist.org. Alright, so this is a very simple step, a very simple thing for you to import. Make sure there's no space between the chain list. This is a very simple. Instead of typing doing it through the manual way, you can just input this, then search for it, chainlist.org. Alright, so it will take you to this place. So you search for Assetchain. Alright. So you notice I have Assetchain here. So click on add to MetaMask. Alright, it will just input the information already for you. Click on confirm. Connected to Assetchain. So you notice that's a very simple step. You don't need to go and be copying and be writing to avoid mistakes. So what I just did is to go to my OKX. So let me return back to the wallet now. So what I just did is go to my discover, then type in chain list, and my Assetchain is back. So now let me switch to Assetchain. Alright, here if you go to custom network, I have Assetchain added already. So that was a very simple step. So you can use this method. Very simple. Just go, once you open your OKX wallet, go to your discover. Now this is discover section. This section. So when you click on it, remember I type in the link. Maybe I will drop it. I will drop the link in the description of the video. Alright, the link is chainlist.org. Then when you're there, you follow the step. So now that I have my Assetchain, so I can basically go back to home, switch the network. Can simply search for Assetchain here. See, I have Assetchain already added, and I have reward asset, and I still have gas fee because this is a wallet I imported. Now the next thing I would like to do is to use Assetchain link and access it here. So for me to do that, I have to bring Assetchain link, which is app.assetchain. So I can simply go here. Now let me go to browser. If you go to browser, since I know the Assetchain link already, I can simply type it app.assetchain. Sorry for that. .org. Right, and you search for it. Let's click on confirm. Alright, so immediately Assetchain is here. Try again. This should be network. So you approve this. Just scroll down. You see this. You approve it. Then you put referral code. So for you, the referral code you use will be surBlas, SUR, capital letter BLAS. I will drop it in the description of the video. So this is my own referral link. So I'll click on connect wallet. I'll click on connect to OKX wallet. Alright. Then the next one is confirm. So I'll put my fingerprint. Boom. I'm already here. Very simple. You can see I already connected my wallet, and now I can access Assetchain in my OKX. Remember, this is a new wallet I just imported. So this is just a very simple method. So if you have your asset, immediately you bring in Assetchain and you do everything I just showed you, your wallet will be connected and you can access everything. So now I'm currently in Assetchain Dex, right? You can see both referral, leaderboard, bridge, and so you can do everything. So the process for you to bring in Assetchain here, so you notice you will need the link and the referral code, and I'm giving you the referral code surBlas, and you can use the link. You can even know how to input the Assetchain link, app.assetchain.org. That is the URL. Alright, so we are right now in Assetchain Dex. The next thing is I want to import if you notice, if you go back to this place, we don't have Assetchain USDT, we don't have Assetchain CNGN, we don't have Assetchain XRWA. So I will bringing them in right now. Now, for you to bring them in, you need those asset contract address. All right, so to have those contract address already, although they are long methods, you can use their explorer to get those contract address, but I have them already in my notes, so I'll just simply go and copy them out and bring them here. I'll show you how you can add them. Okay, so here am I in my notepad. I have Assetchain information here. I'll simply click on it, scroll down to where I have the contract address. So the first one is XRWA. I'll simply copy it, then turn back to OKX. Then when you are here, how can you bring in that token? You see this place, we have manage token, manage crypto, sorry. This is the section. Just click on that place. Click on it. Alright, search the contract address here. I'll simply paste it here. Then click on add crypto custom token. The network is Assetchain. Then paste the contract address. What is happening? Let's go back first. Okay, it's already here. So yeah, we have this. I think we have this one already. Let me bring in CNGN. Let me bring in USDT Assetchain. Copy. Go back. Click on manage crypto. Custom crypto. Contract address. Paste. Add custom crypto. Network. Enter contract address. Okay. What is this guy doing? Hold on. Yeah, so I think it's network that was actually causing that. So the network is already here, Assetchain. It's just for me to paste the contract address. Then just hold on, it will just search and bring out this is Assetchain USDT. Then you click on confirm. Now USDT is added. Right. Then the next one is to bring let me bring CNGN. Copy. So you do the same thing. Can go back. We have USDT. Can click on manage token. Click on custom token. The network is already here. Paste the contract address here and hold on for it to search. CNGN is here. Just click on confirm. Yeah, so let's bring in XRWA. Yeah, let's bring in that one too, which is the token that will be paired with Shalom. Let's bring in that too. So you go back, click on manage token, custom token, paste the contract address, and wait for it to load. Very, very good. We have the token already here. You click on confirm. So guys, right now we have all the token in Assetchain that you need. Alright, so even my token this token I added them when I was using BitGet, but already it has reflected here. So this is a very simple step that you can use. So if you have done this, that means you're ready to buy Shalom token. So the next thing you just need is to go to MoonPython, get MoonPython address. So I'll be going to X now to get their link. So I always like to use the right link, because of trying to look for link online. You might eventually meet the fake link. So I would simply go to MoonPy link directly. I have it here on my search. So what I would do is, so this is my method I always use. So you notice we have the link already here, moonpython.fund. So you just click on it right here. So if you access it from this place, it's okay, because this is the right link. So you can simply hold and copy it. You notice link copy. I already copied that link. Now I'll close X. Then I'll go back to my OKX wallet. Now going back to OKX wallet, I'll go to home. When you're in home page, right? Now you can now go to discover. Now remember, you're still in Assetchain network. Now go to discover, pasting MoonPython. Then you can search for it. Yes, confirm. So I'm now searching for MoonPython inside the OKX using Assetchain as the network. Good. So just request seek now. I want to connect now. MoonPython is requesting to connect to my Assetchain. I'll just simply approve this, and this is very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Very simple. Welcome to MoonPython. Okay, thank you. So right now my wallet is connected. So that day we'll be buying Shalom token. That is what you just need to do. As you just come to the browser section, your MoonPython is already there. Then definitely according to our global ambassador, Assetchain Shalom will be the #1 token that we listed here. So you just see it. Now let's say is this #1 now. You just click on it. And you click on it. Switch to Assetchain. Okay. They'll ask you to switch to Assetchain. You approve it. Alright, can you see it? Immediately you approve, you now see buy. Alright, so you'll be able to, with the contract address, you'll be able to just use, immediately you click on this buy, you see the amount of XRWA you have will just reflect, and you buy immediately. So this is very simple. If you can test run this, just know that you're ready. Alright, you're ready to buy Shalom token that will be launching on MoonPython. MoonPython is a launch pad on Assetchain. So thank you guys for watching and staying through this short tutorial. I don't want it to be very long. So that is how you can trade on the DEX. This is actually what other people call Digent. All right, this is what, so some people use pom.fun and other launchpad, to buy any Digent. So this is for Assetchain, and definitely you'll be able to buy a lot of asset, meme coins, any token that is launched on MoonPython. You'll be able to buy it buy. So for the Shalom community, this is how you can actually get prepared. All right, it's very very simple. Just watch the video again and watch again, you'll be able to do that. And if there's any question, my DM is always open. I remain your boy surBlas. Thank you. I see you in another video. Bye for now.